Scott Grove here. I'm going to show you how you can expand veneer or make it wider. You literally can stretch a wood. Trick I learned at a veneer plant. There are some cases in compound veneering where a form may curve up, so the inner radius is smaller than the outer radius. Consequently, the veneer has to be wider, and you may also need to stretch it to form around that curve, which is a project I'm currently working on right here. Let's take a show of that. So this is what I'm talking about here. So the veneer needs to be wider here so we can lay down and then stretch out. So how do we do that? You basically get one of these mini jackhammers. What are they called? Air hammers, I guess they're called. And get the mushroom type on top of there. I'll put a link. This is the dynamic power one. The reason I like this one is because it has a regulator right on here, but you can also control the beats per minute or the pressure by just using a regular also. I have a whip. Okay, so I'm running about 20 pounds right now and I got it wide open. What I've also done is just to prove it to you, because you guys never believe me, so I've mic'd this top of the veneer here, and that's at 5.5 inches, 139.6 millimeters for you guys in the UK. And all you need to do is just simply pound veneer where you want it wider, and it's going to mush those fibers and spread this veneer a little wider. So let's see how far I can take this. What I learned this for is this is how they actually close up cracks. When they have a split end on a large sheet of veneer, instead of throwing the whole thing away, they just beat on it on both sides and mush the veneer and close that crack together. In this case, I'm using it to make the thing wider, and I've added, probably 2 millimeters to this. So, yeah, you're not going to get a lot, but sometimes a crack is only 1 millimeter, or you need to just flare it out a little bit for those extreme compound curves. So, hope that helps. Check it out. Oh yeah, so if you don't have a pneumatic tool or don't want to invest in that, you get yourself a planishing hammer. I would imagine a ball peen hammer would work. The ball peen, not the peen side, but the other side where it's slightly rounded. This is how I used to do it for cracks, just sort of whacking it that way, and that will also expand it. So yeah, you can do it a bunch of ways. Subscribe, link, all my channels, share, comment. Okay, bye.